Let's be real, pearl beauties, you could be doing all the skincare steps perfectly. Yet your skin still acts like it's going through a mood swing. You cleanse, moisturize, try the expensive serums, but somehow it's still breaking out, looking dull, or feeling dry. The truth? It might be the habits you don't even realize are hurting your skin. Let's talk about the real reasons your glow isn't showing and how to take your skin from stress to stunning. 1. Sleeping with makeup on, the silent glow killer. We've all had those nights when we're too tired to move, let alone wash our face. But just one night of sleeping in your makeup clogs your pores, traps oil and bacteria, and blocks your skin's ability to heal while you sleep. Over time, this leads to dullness, breakouts, and premature aging. And no, those makeup wipes aren't enough. They remove only the surface, leaving behind residue deep in your pores. If nothing else, keep micellar water and cotton pads next to your bed for those lazy girl nights. Even 5 minutes of effort before sleep can save you days of irritation later. Taking off your makeup isn't a chore. It's a small, powerful promise you make to yourself. 2. Dirty pillowcases, the secret breakout trigger. You can do the perfect skincare routine, but if your pillowcase is dirty, it's like pressing your skin into a petri dish overnight. It collects sweat, dead skin, hair product, and bacteria, and your face is in contact with it for hours. That's why you might notice breakouts on just one cheek or irritation that keeps coming back. Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days and use satin or silk if possible. It's a small switch, but one that quietly transforms how your skin behaves while you sleep. 3. Constantly touching your face, the habit that sneaks up on you. It happens without realizing, resting your chin on your palm, rubbing your temples during study breaks, or tapping your cheek while scrolling. But your hands carry everything they touch, from your phone to your keys to your classroom desk, and every time they touch your face, they leave traces of oil, dirt, and bacteria. This habit leads to breakouts that seem random, but are anything but. The fix is simple awareness. Catch the pattern, keep your hands busy, and clean your phone screen regularly. Your skin will start thanking you in silence. 4. Overwashing or overexfoliating, when clean becomes harmful. Washing your face more than twice a day or using gritty scrubs too often feels like doing more, but it can do real damage. Overcleansing strips your natural oils, weakens your skin's barrier, and causes irritation or excess oil production. Harsh scrubs can tear tiny holes in your skin, leading to more harm than help. Stick to a gentle cleanser and exfoliate no more than twice a week with a mild chemical exfoliant. Simplicity often brings better, longer-lasting results. 5. Skipping sunscreen, the mistake you won't notice until it's too late. Sunscreen isn't just for beach trips. It's your daily defense against invisible skin damage. UVA rays penetrate through clouds, windows, and screens. Without sunscreen, your skin is vulnerable to pigmentation, fine lines, and uneven texture, especially if you're using actives like vitamin C or retinol. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day, indoors or out. It's not optional, it's foundational. Protection today saves you from regret tomorrow. 6. Eating too much sugar and junk, feeding the problem from the inside. Your skin reflects what's going on inside your body. High sugar diets spike insulin levels, which increase oil production and inflammation. That's how you get those stubborn breakouts around your chin and jaw. Balance is key. Add fruits, fiber, and water-rich foods into your routine. This isn't about cutting out your favorites. It's about choosing what supports your glow, not fights it. 7. Too much caffeine. Energy for you, exhaustion for your skin. Caffeine might help you stay awake, but it also dehydrates your skin. Dryness, tired-looking skin, and more visible dark circles can all be traced back to overconsumption. It doesn't mean you have to quit your morning chai, just balance it out. For every cup of caffeine, drink at least 2 cups of water. It's about fueling yourself with care, not just energy. 8. Not getting enough sleep, stealing your own glow. Sleep is when your body and skin resets. Skipping rest means you're also skipping healing time. Skin becomes inflamed, looks dull, and can't renew itself properly. If late-night scrolling is keeping you up, try creating a bedtime ritual that feels peaceful. Lights low, devices away, skincare on. Sleep is the quietest skincare product. but the one that works the hardest. 9. Using too many products, turning your routine into chaos. Skincare doesn't need to be complicated to be effective. Using too many products, especially strong actives all at once, can overwhelm your skin and lead to irritation. It becomes hard to tell what's helping and what's hurting. Strip your routine back to the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, protect, then slowly introduce one product at a time. You'll learn more about your skin by doing less and listening more. 10. Dirty makeup brushes. Blending in bacteria. Your tools matter just as much as your products. Unwashed brushes collect old makeup, dead skin, oil, and bacteria, and every time you use them, you press all of that back into your face. Breakouts and irritation follow quickly. Wash your brushes weekly with gentle soap and let them dry completely. This small weekly ritual can change everything. So, if your skin's been acting up lately, maybe it's not just the products. Maybe it's the little habits that need a little love. You don't have to be perfect or follow every rule all at once. Just start small. Choose one habit today and shift it with intention. That's how real glow-ups happen, slowly, quietly, and with care. Your skin is a reflection of how gently you treat yourself, not how expensive your products are. Be patient with your progress, be proud of your effort, and remember, glowing skin isn't a goal. It's a result of showing up for yourself every single day.